because I want a bloodbath talaga.
So, sa senatorial candidate, ma'am, ang tingin niyo magiging takbo ng impeachment trial, ma'am, how positive are you na, or confident are you na ma-active kayo, ma'am, dun sa impeachment trial to Senate?
Wala akong expectations of acquittal or a verdict guilty. Basta sa akin lang ay tinanggap ko na kung ano yung magiging verdict. Whether guilty man yon or acquittal, I'm already at peace. At hindi ko alam kung paano boboto ang mga senators. If at all there will be a trial, I think it is wrong to start counting votes now because they haven't seen evidence yet. They haven't seen what the prosecutors have. They haven't seen what our defense is. So, parang mali siguro na magbilingan ng boto ng walang I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga.